Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. We talk about stocks on this channel, and I'm going to talk about everybody's favorite genomic stock right now. It's BNGO, or Bio Nanogenomics. There's a new tweet that they just put out about an hour ago, 45 minutes ago, something like that, from the recording of this video. And it's some more good news about how Bio Nanogenomics and their optical genome mapping Sapphire system can save time and money, and I help diagnostic medicine. So I'm really excited about this new article published from Columbia Med. So we're going to jump into that article. I want to take a look at the price action real quick. Remember, I have BNGO in my long-term portfolio. I'm up about 120% now on that trade, and I bought late. A lot of people, I bought after it had already run up 1,500%, but I wanted to be sure of the technology, of the company, of the management, things like that. And I'm really excited for the future of Bio Nanogenomics. And I still don't think it's too late. Does that make sense? I don't think it's too late to buy into BNGO. I think there's more room for this to go. Even if, God forbid, ARK Invest doesn't invest in Bio Nanogenomics, I still think this is going to be a good company for the long haul. But hey, as with any investment, I could be wrong. Somebody did point out in the comments, Richard, that he said, no, you're always right. I disagree. I'm sometimes wrong. But with Bio Nanogenomics, I think this is going to be a great company long term. But look at the chart, guys. This was just trading. Keep in mind, please keep in mind with Bio Nanogenomics, this was just trading. Fear of delisting. This was trading at 50 cents, 43 cents, 70 cents. Just in December, like 2 months ago, okay, there were fears that Bio Nanogenomics was going to get booted out of the stock exchange and get put on a nasty over-the-counter exchange somewhere, that we weren't even going to be able to touch it with Robinhood or WeBull. But I'm excited for this company. They had this symposium. They had the Festival of Genomics. They keep pumping out different articles. So I'm excited for this technology. But let's jump over to the Twitter. Okay? The Twitter. I feel like an old man. We're on the line right now with the Twitter, with Dr. Bryn Levi from Columbia Med. Concluded from the multi-center evaluation of Sapphire that it improves genome analysis of this leukemia patients by getting all the data you previously needed 3 assays for, saves time and money, and provides a more objective automated analysis. So during this video, we're going to play this entire 31-minute. I'm kidding. I'm not going to play this video, but I will link this article in the description. So if you want to actually jump in and take a deep dive into this genomic stuff, again, not a geneticist, not a genomicist. I think I just made that word up, but I like it. I am not a genomicist, people. So I really have no idea what any of this means. But I think I know that it's a good diagnostic tool, and I'm excited for the future of Bio Nanogenomics. So it says Dr. Bryn Levi is actually a PhD and the director of clinical cytogenetics laboratory at Columbia University. Presents on the National Multi-Center Evaluation of Sapphire in acute myeloid leukemia, representing a consortium that includes the most important cancer research and treatment centers in the U.S. The previously reported published study compared optical genome mapping results on 100 AML samples against karyotype, FISH, and CMA. Dr. Levi concludes that optical genome mapping is concordant with all 3 traditional cytogenetics tools combined and provides additional clinically useful information missed by traditional methods in 11% of the cases, and better characterizes the identified events in 40% of patients. Sapphire improves on genome analysis for AML patients by combining 3 assays in one. Those assays are FISH, right? Karyotype, FISH, and CMA. Represents a significant time and cost savings and provides a more objective automated analysis that would remove subjective testing decisions at individual sites and could potentially remove disparity in healthcare. So this is great news for people with acute myeloid leukemia, right? They're saying that they've tested optical genome mapping versus these other types of tests, and they've concluded not only does it replace those tests, but it's also better. Guys, this is big news. Again, we keep finding out stuff like this with bionanogenomics, that they're better, cheaper, faster. I mean, that's the way the world is going, right? Things that are better, cheaper, and faster. So I'm excited for this company. I know you guys know that. I'm a long-term holder. We were talking over on the Discord today, like, hey, I think it's a good time to swing trade BNGO. Now, you guys know that I do a lot of swing trading. If you watch my channel, you know that's primarily how I make a lot of my money in the stock market. However, with BNGO, I don't want to even think that way with bionanogenomics, because there are a bunch of catalysts coming up. FDA approval. We could see ARK Invest jump into bionanogenomics, and that would almost certainly drive the price up. I think we could see a doubling or something like that. Now, I'm not banking on that happening, because I still think that bionanogenomics could be a fantastic long-term company to hold for, years and years and years, 5, 10, 20 years. I don't know, right? Because I think this technology, they're proving over and over again what they're capable of. And this isn't just random scientists from bionanogenomics. These are people that are directors, right, of clinical cytogenetics at Columbia Med that are actually doing this research. It isn't people that from bionanogenomics themselves pumping out this research. So these are research papers and different things that keep coming out over and over and over again, showing how exciting the Sapphire system can be for a diagnostic tool. So again, I'm excited for the future of this company. I know you guys know that, but obviously let me know what you guys think about bionanogenomics. Is it time to buy more? Is it time to get out? Is it time to just hold? I'm holding long term. I looked at it today and I'm like, man, I'm up 120%. And the swing trader in me is like short-sighted, right? I'm thinking, okay, it's time to get out, even take out half my investment and then play the rest with house money. But I think we're just at the beginning. I think we're just at the beginning for this company. I think we could easily see $18, $20 in the short term meaning over the next few months. And if ARK Invest does add it to the ARK G fund, I think we could really see a big pop. But again, I'm not banking on that, right? So again, let's look at the chart here real quick. So we're kind of in the middle of range, right? Between 950 and the high of almost 14. We're kind of right in the middle. And I like this price action lately. I like it that it's consolidating. I like that it keeps bouncing off of this $11 range. And I think we could easily see $13 in the short term. But I think we'll see new highs over the next few months, maybe even later this month. The market's just been weird, guys. Everybody's been so focused on GME and GameStop, right? Or GameStop and others, that I don't know. It's hard to. I feel like that's starting to calm down, right? And people are jumping back into other stocks, and I think stocks like bionanogenomics or BNGO could only be a benefactor of that, right? And we're looking at 6% up on the day, so it's having a really good day. And part of that could be this news. Part of that could be it just bouncing off of support here. So I like this price action, guys. All right, guys, let me know what you think about bionanogenomics. That's all I have for you for this video. Again, my name is Richard Allen. As always, if you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.